Hello, hello, my name is Star and I'm also known as the girl in the middle, and today I'm really excited to be doing something I've never done before, a makeup tutorial for Foschini, no less. Today is the day that I'm going to be checking out the Foschini Beauty All Woman range, and I get to play around with a street style warrior look. Okay, first of all, let's start with the fact that I'm not a makeup artist. Okay, so I'm going to do this the same way that I do it at home. Half of these brushes are new to me, but I'm really excited because I realized that half of the packaging has instructions on the back of it, which is perfect for me because I know about this much and they've given us about this much. So let's get it started. I'm going to go for the foundation stick. So this is the All Woman foundation stick, but my specific one is called Umber. I'm going to blotch this on my face. This brush is called the powder brush, but it's also known to blend makeup really well. Makeup marshmallows, also known as makeup blenders. I just want to see what the difference is in terms of blending between a brush and this thing. This feels like it's more blended than a brush would do it. So shout out to whoever came up with the makeup marshmallows. I have the mattifying compact powder. This goes over your foundation just to settle it, make sure that it lasts during the day, flick the hair. And I'm going to put this on using this brush. Cool, that was my powder on, and now I'm going to move on to the contouring part. I'm not a huge contourer, but I do love what they've done with this package. First of all, this is what the packaging looks like. How beautiful. What I love about it is that they give you just a quick tutorial at the back, which is what I need every time. Okay, so I'm going to start with the contouring by my cheekbones. Righto, now I'm finally getting to use this, my fish contour brush, which actually comes as a double deal with the makeup blender that I was using earlier. They come together, so definitely check that out. I'm going to use the darker shade. This scoop over here kind of grips like the difference between your upper cheek and your lower cheek, and that's what kind of makes the color sit where it needs to. It goes from right here to right here. Now, I do have an issue with discoloration under my eyes, so I'm gonna fix that a little bit. What I see they have here is what they call the color correcting and concealer palette. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, extremely delicious. So, on my contouring journey, I've done a little bit on the sides, which I will level out soon enough, but now I'm going to choose one of these colors to just go underneath the eye again and start to create like a pop contrast between the eye area and the cheek area. Again, Foschini Beauty has done it. They have a beautiful eyebrow kit, helps you shape the brows. It comes with a lot of amazing brushes and also stencils for your eyebrows to give you a clear direction of where it is you want to go in terms of your arch. I'm going to use this brush. This is called the eyebrow brush. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the applicator on one of the browns and just gently brush over my eyebrow bristles. Coolio! I've made my crazy brows darker, and now I'm just going to clean them on the sides. Cool, so now we get to the very interesting part. I think the key thing to my warrior look is a bold color for sure. And the color I've chosen today is a stunning blue. This stunning blue right here out of one of our Foschini Beauty palettes. It's incredible. And I think it's gonna pop really nice on my skin. So I'm gonna try it on my eyelid and let's see how that happens, how that works. I'm just going to take one of these beautiful shades from this perfect palette, and I'm going to use this shade right here Great. So now to define this thing, or rather to define the eye line, I'm going to use their fabulous mascara. And I say fabulous because how yummy. So I'm going to use this mirror, thank you Foschini, to get the mascara done. Cool, and now to wrap up this part of the look, I love a neutral lip, love, 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 love a neutral lip. It's a neutral one, I think it lets the eyes kind of take over, and when I add the other things, it won't be too much of a, too much happening. Yes, cool, the full face is done. I've done a bit of my warrior, I've given you an idea of what my warrior would look like, and now I'm gonna add the finishing touches. A few stripes, a few dots in specific places, and let's see what we come up with, darlings. And there you have it, darlings. This is my fierce interpretation of what a modern warrior looks like with Foschini Beauty All Woman, darling. I'm ready to face the world. I'm ready to take my action. I'm ready to be present and fabulous. Feel me, darling.